right, good morning. Good morning. Today is Saturday, November 9th, 2023. It's about 7:30 in the morning. I'll do something different today. You guys watched the Instagram. Posted something yesterday. I did something I ain't never done before, and that's order a set of brand new Daytons. 13.7 all chrome 72. Kind of go with the classic look, timeless look. With the two-pronged dog ear and green porcelain flags. A lot of people don't know that Dayton still sells wheels, or Dayton still sells the porcelain emblems, but they do. All you gotta do is call them, and they're not as expensive as you might think. Anyways, today I'm gonna be going, I'm already halfway there to go get these tires mounted. I'm gonna go to a fellow Houstonian YouTuber, little tire shop around the corner. And he's gonna mount these tires for me, so I want to do a little video, maybe showing that process if I can sneak up on him. Told him I'd be there at 8. It's 7:48, and I'm probably gonna be late, which is rare. But I had to stop at Buc-ee's and get me a boudin kolache. If you're not from Texas or Louisiana or the South, you probably don't even know what boudin is, but I love me some boudin, so I got me a boudin kolache. Now we're gonna hit the road, get over there and get these tires mounted on these 13x7 wire wheels. Got them right here. Got them in the back. They're brand new. They still got the Dayton grease on them for corrosion protection. And so bring you guys back here once I hit the tire shop. Yeah, man. So I'm here on the Beltway, right? Trying to drive and record. About to exit telephone. Man, something about y'all Houston folks, man. Y'all people cannot drive, man. I say this constantly. That's why I don't even like coming to Houston no more. But, man, so this guy, Carlos, right? He's got his YouTube page. You know, not exactly building lowriders, but kind of documenting kind of everything he does. Little minor mechanic work and donk stuff and kind of just adventures that he goes on, which is pretty cool. And, man, so this he has Instagram also, right? But this dude, I met him before. This guy is always happy, man. Like, I've never seen him upset about anything, man. And if y'all know who I'm talking about, y'all know exactly what I mean. Always happy, never upset. But it's almost 8 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday, and I messaged him, right, to set up this appointment. I said, man, you know, I like to get things done early in the morning, right? And plus, you know, Saturday I got a lot of work to do at home. Can we get it done early at like 8? He said, yeah, that's a bet. We can do that. Okay. So I'm gonna see what kind of attitude he has at 8 o'clock in the morning. If this guy just wakes up extremely excited and happy, or if he's like everybody else. Anyways, we're coming up on Telephone Road. Telephone in the Beltway, man, over here in South Houston. It's raining. I also got to pick up some steel for my firewalls. You know, you guys know I sell the firewalls. I don't really advertise a lot on YouTube, mainly Instagram thing, but I got to re-up on some sheet metal, which just works out great because Triple S is right around the corner. Pick up some sheet metal, get these tires mounted, and head back home. So, coming up on telephone to bring you guys back. All right, so we got the wheels dropped off, and I'm waiting in line here at the steel yard. I figured it'd be a good time to do a little recording, maybe. It's always a line at the steel yard, man. There's like 4 trucks behind me. I got 2 in front of me. We got here when they opened, man. It's always a line at the steel yard. I don't know, they need to hire help, or it's just part of the process, or what, man. But yeah, man, as far as the Daytons go, you know, like I posted on Instagram, I've never bought a brand new set. I've had Daytons before, but I've always bought them used, you know, like local, or, you know, I found them on Craigslist in the past, like NOS, but I've always bought them to resell them, you know, and make $1 or whatever. But I've never bought a set. I never called up Dayton on the phone and ordered a set until, you know, earlier this week, which they have them in stock. Like a few, you know, last year, man, they were like 3 to 6 months out on back order, man. So you had people, you know, selling them, you know, they had them new, old stock or whatever, and they were selling them for way more than what Dayton sells them for, because people didn't want to wait, you know, or whatever. But they do have them in stock, man. I called, I ordered, I bought them, and they shipped them the next day. So they got plenty of 13s in stock. I don't know that they stock any gold. I know they sub out the gold work to La Habra in California, which is a very good gold plater, or gold plating company, I should say. But they do have all chrome in stock. You know, 13s are kind of common. I don't know that they have, you know, 24s or, you know, special offset or anything like that. But 13.7 72 all chrome is kind of a standard, I guess you can call it. I did debate on 88s or 72s, man. I went back and forth because, you know, more people have 72s. 88s are very distinct to Dayton only, but 88s kind of look like Hunter spokes, and I don't really like Hunter spokes too much. But so yeah, I finally bought them. They're for the 60. I still have the roasters, but being that the roasters are center gold, they're real delicate. They're real high maintenance wheels, and just sitting in the shop with the humidity will you know, the gold will affect the gold. Let me see if I can move here without moving this camera. Anyways, I think we're gonna get loaded up here, so I'll bring you guys back. So we're running low on battery here, but we did get the wheels and tires picked up. We're heading back to the house. I'll slap these suckers on when I get home, so I'll bring you guys back, man. Carlos did a good job, man. He was done before I got back, man. It's like damn NASCAR. But yeah, man, good work, man. He's a good guy for these 13s. You can't just go anywhere, man, and get these done. It's a special technique without damaging. So I'm gonna get you guys back whenever I get back to the house, start putting these on. All right, we're over here mounting them, kind of just marking them up. I didn't put no grease, and I'm not hammering them on tight, because we still got to bleed brakes and all that when the time comes. But man, they go right on. They clear the calipers just fine. Clear the brake drums in the backs just fine. You got a stamp on the hub, a stamp on the lip of the dish right there, and the inside of the knockoffs are stamped. So we're going to do a little comparison here. And the back of the hub, what are they, 225? 225C. He said they didn't take much weight balancing. 0.25, what's that, 0.35? I don't know. But we wanted to do a little comparison here on the different quality. So this is a genuine Dayton adapter. They come chrome. They have the lug pattern etched in them, so it's only two. It's what, a 4 3/4 and a 5 on 5, and this one is 15 hole. So this kind of has a benefit because of the 15 hole.
It's good for trailer. Use a trailer spare if needed in a jam. But you want to show them on the. When I put these on, I had to use a crescent wrench, unless you have a thin wall socket. If you have a thin wall socket, you could probably do it. I don't have a thin wall socket, and we're going to show you the reason why. Bobby with his little micrometer.
Micrometer?
Is that what it is?
Caliper.
Okay.
So as far as it can go?
Yeah.
Right?
Yep. 3.55?
Yep. And as far as it can go?
3.46. So this one is more narrow, which allows a regular wall socket on the impact.
And then
we're going to weigh the weight of the spinner. Those are regular old China spinners. They're super cheap. It looks like it's 1.6 pound, so a little more than a pound and a half. And the Dayton spinner is 2.9, almost 3, so it's twice as heavy. That thing just feels cheap, huh?
I mean, it's a different design, but you can obviously
big difference.
feel the difference.
And these things right here thread on so easy. You thread on one finger. Of course, this thing has a bunch of grease. This one don't have grease. But I remember back in the day, well, probably maybe 12, 13 years ago, when we was trying to put a old casted 3-prong on a chrome adapter, and it wouldn't thread on. A old casted Dayton 3-prong on a new chrome Dayton adapter, and it wouldn't thread on, no matter what we did, which was weird. But it threaded on a China adapter, so noteworthy. So anyways, I think that's going to be a wrap for this video. Of course, can't really get a good idea of how they look because there's no fenders and stuff, but I know they look a lot better than these. Brand new tires. These are Tornell 155/80/13. They're like 50 bucks each on eBay, free shipping. So well, actually, I think it's they were like $215 shipped to the house. Got them in 3 days. Dayton's took a week to get here after I paid, and you all saw Carlos mount him. He's good at what he does. These are genuine porcelain emblems. Dayton, they do make copies, repop fake. Those are the real deal. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be back. Stay tuned for more work.